Join the Office of Emergency Management for a series of interactive workshops designed to help Eastwick community prepare for severe weather, from emergency awareness and readiness to community resilience. Through the series, we will be joined by subject matter experts from the city's Department of Behavioral Health and Intellectual Disability Services, Drexel University, the Office of Sustainability, the Philadelphia Fire Department, and the Philadelphia Police Department. The kickoff workshop will take place in person at the beautiful John Hines National Wildlife Refuge at Tinicum on Saturday, August 24th at 12 noon. Let's heal from the past and be prepared for the future. Come join us as we work with residents to make Eastwick a more resilient and ready community.